Welcome guys. In this video, I would like to show you how to install Windows 11 on your PC. So, let's start. First you should check you are currently using the latest version of Windows 10 or Windows 8.1 or Windows 7. So simply look for Windows Update icon. After completing update, restart your PC. But if you face any problem while updating your PC or fail to update, please check description for fix. Now examine your PC meets the minimum requirement for Windows 11 or suitable for update Windows 11 by using the PC Health Check app. Check description for this PC Health Check app. Yeah, this PC meets the requirement to run Windows 11. If any account shown to you, simply click this. But if not, then select Microsoft account. Now give your Microsoft or email account and password. Select Beta Channel, as it is recommended. Now restart your PC. Here I found an update, but don't find Windows 11 update because beta channel isn't published yet. Now simply restart PC after completing update. Wow! Finally found update for Windows 11. Now wait for downloading. Now wait for installing. Restart again. Yeah. This is the initial look of Windows 11. Let's enjoy Windows 11 together. Cheers. Thanks for watching.